And closer to downtown Louisville, flooding also closed many roads like Frankfort Avenue. It had about 4 inches of standing water. Businesses and homes in the area had the most damage, with inches of water on porches and stairways. Across the river in Clark County, many of the roads are clear and a few sections blocked off near the Ohio River. Officials with Metro Public Works say due to the snow that came shortly after those storms, crews had to act quickly.
Overnight, that rain became snow, and that group had to join the snow team, and basically switch gears, literally switch gears to move into snow plows, move into salting and treating the roadways.
And crews will continue to work throughout the night to clear damage and make sure all the roadways are safe to drive. We'll continue monitoring the intense flooding from the weekend storms. You can check out updates on our website, WLKY.com, or our free mobile app.